just tuned in to some amateur cosplay channel here on YouTube. This is indeed Cooking from Scratch, and this is Melissa, even though she's dressed up as the Joker from Persona 5, and I'm going to tell you why in a moment, because I have some pretty good news for you guys. Now, I know it has definitely been a hot moment since, well, several hot moments. Hot months? We're just gonna say it was a long time since there has been content on this channel. A lot of stuff has been going on. For one thing, you may notice the background looks a lot different. Please ignore the paint job. The lesson I learned from moving into a new house: don't assume you can paint your kitchen by yourself. This is gonna be professionally fixed, I promise. But the good news is, I'm finally in my new house, which means a whole lot of new content for you guys, including cooking live streams, a whole bunch of new cooking videos, especially gaming cooking videos. So for those of you guys who love shows like Food Wars and a whole bunch of anime like Persona 5, we're going to be doing a bunch of recipes from those. By the way, if you happen to have any favorite recipes you guys would like to see from any gaming, any anime, let me know down in the comments down below. But there is one change. The content actually isn't going to be here on Cooking from Scratch. We are moving all of the content over to my original channel, which is Cocktails and Consoles. Now, if you guys aren't deep into YouTube stuff, the next minute or so may bore you, but for those of you guys who are fellow content creators, I'm sure you can commiserate on the reasons why, so I'll give you a little bit of background info on how YouTube works. YouTube, when they changed how notifications work, it forced a lot of creators like myself to have to start splitting out the content. For instance, one of my favorite channels, which is Game Theory, actually had to create a whole separate channel for all of their live streams because people didn't want to get notifications for live streams and get notifications for regular content, even though that only happens like once a week. How the community has since tolerated that, not quite sure, but I do know this: trying to create content for two channels is very, very taxing when it can't afford to be your full-time job. So that has led me to the conclusion that I actually need to bring the two together and be able to give you guys a mix of not only cooking content, but also cocktail content with a little bit of gaming content in there as well. So here's what you guys can expect. All of your favorite videos from this channel will actually be moving over to Cocktails and Consoles. Why that channel? It has the most subscribers and it's already set up to be monetized. It's just what we gotta do. YouTube has really screwed up a lot of stuff. However, starting very immediately, as in I'm gonna be filming this tonight, you guys can expect a whole bunch of new cocktails and cooking content over on that channel, starting with Persona 5, where we are going to be making not only Sojiro's coffee, but also the curry as well. The link to the Cocktails and Consoles channel is down below. If you want to check it out, hit that subscribe button. That would be awesome. Plus, which I'm very excited for, very, very soon here, we're going to be having cooking live streams. No longer me trying to create cooking content in a game. You guys will be able to cook along with me, meaning this kitchen is going to be decked out with cameras, lights, all of that stuff, and we're going to be cooking together. So I'm very, very excited about that. And if there's any recipes that you would like to see either done as a video or done as a live stream, let me know in the comments down below. So thank you guys sincerely for all you wonderful people who have subscribed to this channel. You really helped to be able to get the momentum going. I do apologize. I know things got put a little bit on delay as life kind of escalated a little bit, but I promise you, cooking content is here to stay. It's just on a slightly different URL. So I will see you, awesome chefs, over on Cocktails and Consoles. See ya!